Join me as I take on the AI essay detection game and see if I can outsmart it with some killer tips. Today we're diving into the world of AI essay detection, and I'm excited to share with you why this topic is so relevant for students and writers in today's digital age. With the rise of AI technology, schools and universities are turning to these tools to detect and prevent plagiarism. But what does this mean for writers like us? The stakes are high, and the pressure is on to produce high-quality original content that passes the AI test. But let's be real, it can be tough to know exactly what these algorithms are looking for, and it can feel like you're walking on eggshells, trying not to trigger any red flags. As writers, we want to focus on crafting compelling stories and conveying our ideas in a clear and concise manner. But the fear of AI detection can hold us back from being our most creative selves. So how can we stay one step ahead of the game and produce work that's both original and AI-friendly? The truth is, it's not just about avoiding plagiarism, it's about embracing our unique voices and perspectives and letting our personalities shine through in our writing. In the next few minutes, we're going to explore the challenges of getting essays detected as human-written and what this means for academic integrity and creativity. Getting essays detected as human-written is no easy feat, and it requires a deep understanding of how AI detection tools work. These algorithms are designed to sniff out patterns and anomalies that are common in AI-generated content, so we need to be strategic in our approach. One of the biggest challenges is avoiding the pitfalls of cliches and overused phrases that can raise red flags with AI detectors. It's easy to fall back on familiar phrases and sentences, but these can be exactly what gets our work flagged. Another challenge is maintaining a consistent tone and voice throughout our writing. AI detectors are skilled at identifying inconsistencies that can indicate AI-generated content, so we need to be mindful of our tone and voice from start to finish. Additionally, the use of overly complex language and jargon can also trigger AI detectors. While it's important to use technical terms and industry-specific language, we need to balance this with clarity and simplicity. Moreover, the structure and organization of our writing can also be a giveaway. AI detectors are trained to recognize patterns and anomalies in sentence structure, paragraph length, and overall format, so we need to mix it up and keep things interesting. Furthermore, the use of passive voice, repetitive phrases, and lack of transitions can make our writing seem stilted and unnatural, which can be a major turn-off for AI detectors. It's clear that getting essays detected as human-written requires a multifaceted approach that involves creativity, strategy, and attention to detail. So, what are some specific tips and strategies that can help us craft essays that evade AI detection? One of the most effective strategies is to vary our sentence structure and length. This can help to create a more natural flow and make our writing seem more human. Another strategy is to incorporate personal anecdotes and experiences into our writing. This can add a layer of authenticity and make our work feel more relatable and engaging. Using metaphors, similes, and other literary devices can also help to create a more dynamic and interesting writing style that's less likely to trigger AI detectors. Moreover, incorporating quotes, references, and citations can add credibility and authority to our writing, making it seem more human-generated. Avoiding the overuse of buzzwords and trendy phrases is also crucial. These can be a dead giveaway that our writing is AI-generated, so it's best to stick with more timeless language. Using humor, sarcasm, and irony can also help to make our writing seem more human and less AI-like. Using active voice, reducing sentences with multiple clauses, and varying paragraph length can also help to create a more natural flow. Furthermore, using rhetorical devices like repetition, allusion, and anaphora can add depth and complexity to our writing, making it harder for AI detectors to identify. Now let's talk about the most effective tip that has proven to significantly reduce the chances of AI detection. The key is to focus on authenticity and originality. When we're writing from a place of honesty and vulnerability, our work is more likely to resonate with readers and evade AI detection. So what's the takeaway from all of this? By incorporating these tips and strategies into our writing, We can craft essays that are not only AI-friendly, but also engaging, creative, and authentic. Remember, the goal is not to game the system or cheat the AI detectors, but to produce high-quality work that showcases our unique voices and perspectives. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of AI essay detection. If you've got any thoughts or tips to share, leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more writing tips and tricks, be sure to check out my next video on crafting compelling narratives.